may kasamang palakpakin din, kailangan masaya. Okay, come on. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so palakpakan naman po natin si Trevor. Okay. So guys, everybody say, Happy birthday, Trevor, go!
Happy birthday, Lego.
Isa ba yung pinakamalakas?
Happy birthday, Lego.
Ayan, mukhang mahina yung energy ng mga kids natin. So mamaya lalakas lahat yan kapag namigay na kami ng mga prizes sa games. Okay, so Mami, maraming salamat po. And then together with birthday boy, Trevor. Ayan, so pahinga muna po siya, Mami, na. Okay, so guys, this time, kailangan namin na mamigay ng mga prizes. Okay.